This is the County Road 450 East grade crossing located on the BNSF Mendota Sub east of Neponset, Illinois. Here we have two new gated signals, each with LED lights and each with an E-bell. This one will be looking north to get a look here at the southern signal. Got 12 by 24 inch Safetran frames with Dialight ball LEDs inside. Here's the dot tag, dot number is 079715T. Got a single-sided Siemens base on an old foundation. Siemens gate mechanism with the imprinted logo with a NEG two-way gate saver. Side view lights with a Safetran junction box. Up top we have a GS Type 3 E-bell. Back view of the lights. This gate has the newer striping with 4-inch RECO LEDs. Here's the back view of the southern signal. Here's another view now looking south to get a look here at the northern signal. Main light, same thing. Got 12 by 24 inch Safetran frames with Dialight ball LEDs. Here's the dot tag again. Got another single-sided Siemens base on a concrete foundation. Got another Siemens gate mechanism with the imprinted logo and an NEG two-way gate saver. Side view lights with a Safetran junction box. Back view of the lights. This gate also has a newer striping with 4-inch RECO LEDs. And up top we have a surprising feature for this newer Siemens signal, a GS Type 1 E-bell. And there's a back view of the northern signal. Here's the relay bungalow in the southwest quadrant. Grade here is all concrete, and you can see it was resurfaced recently. Track view facing west into Neponset and towards Kewanee, Altona, and Galesburg. And track view facing east towards Wyanett, Princeton, Mendota, Leland, and eventually Aurora. So these signals were installed in February of 2022, about a year ago. They replaced a pair of older WCH signals. This signal down here is entirely new aside from the foundation. And this one's almost new aside from the GS Type 1 E-bell up top. The old signal here had a GS Type 1, so for some reason BNSF decided to carry it over. I have no idea why they decided to do that. And then they added a GS Type 3 to this signal here. And you can see they didn't replace the bungalow here at the same time. However, now there's a new bungalow sitting in Neponset down there. And you can see a whole bunch of markings around the crossing here. BNSF will be installing that bungalow here sometime pretty soon. More than likely they'll keep the same signals here, I imagine. There's a slight chance they might decide to replace them again, but that'd be really stupid if they do. Maybe if anything they might remount them onto newer foundations, but more likely they'll just keep the same ones. But yeah, this has been the County Road 450 East grade crossing. Alright, so just a quick little update here. This is the next morning on April 5th. Actually, it's late afternoon now. But this morning, BNSF dropped off the new bungalow here. Again, this was literally just done earlier today, the day after I shot the initial tour video, so looks like BNSF is moving pretty quickly on this now. And once again, whether or not they're going to keep these signals is not 100% clear as of right now. I would assume BNSF is going to keep them, but there is a chance they could decide to replace them again. So, again, we're just going to have to wait and see. Hopefully this GS Type 1, Type 3 combo will continue to serve this crossing, but if not, I will show off the new signals whenever that happens. So stay tuned.